In this week's video, we will continue presenting the remaining 4 out of 7 guiding principles for optimized warehouse design. The fourth principle states that advances in modern building techniques have significantly increased the demands on warehouse flooring. Taller buildings, higher throughput, and the 24/7 nature of modern logistics all increase the performance requirements of flooring. As a result, floor slabs must deliver high performance while maintaining adequate flexibility and maintainability as demands increase. 5. Forward staging, the practice of reserving a set amount of stock in locations close to packing and shipping, saves significant time. This practice ensures that the most commonly moved items require the least effort to retrieve. Forward staging increases efficiency by minimizing the number of trips to remote locations in a warehouse. 6. Finding a balance between storage needs and picking processes is crucial. A common pitfall during warehouse design is overcomplicating picking processes by overemphasizing storage needs. Often, warehouses are a buffer for inbound shipments from suppliers and outbound orders to customers. In these cases, the nature of warehousing is more transactional than storage-oriented. 7. Warehouse layout design should be both flexible and scalable. Planning for future business growth helps minimize additional costs as the facility and operations evolve.